Okay, so I had to refilm this video because the video that I filmed said it can't be displayed. So view the website. The thing here is that we have the practical handshake, and this is the, let's say, their laboratory, to their lab to demonstrate this, right? We just have to, we have a conversation between Alice and Bob, and we just have to choose the correct order in order to do a handshake. So the first one is synchronization, and then synchronization acknowledgement, then acknowledgement, then we need the data because the transmission is active. ACK, FINAC, ACK, yes, and then FINAC, and then ACK again. And hello, is me that you are looking for?